Hello, this is Crypto Neptune, and I was asked to do a quick run through on Casper Network and my thoughts on the project. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and you should always do your own research. And if you could do me a favor, give the video a like, leave any comments below, and subscribe to the channel. It'll greatly help me out. So, with Casper Network, it's currently ranked 119th and is currently sitting at 3 cents. The market cap is a healthy market cap at 390 million, which leads me to believe that it has a little bit more room to grow. The total supply is sitting at 12 billion, which isn't too bad. Now with Casper, did a little research, and it was initially the public launch was March of 2021, so it didn't get the full effect of that last bull run, but it ranged up to $1.33. And then ever since then, it's just been kind of just ranging in the sense it had a retracement. With Casper, what is Casper? Casper Network is an L1 general purpose blockchain similar to Ethereum. It is built on the consensus framework of proof of stake based on correct by construction specification. Casper is mainly targeting institutional and enterprises, helping them adopt blockchain technology, right? So they're short and sweet, they're going after businesses, and it's kind of a competitor to Ethereum. So it's a new L1. And it talks about the governance token, CSPR, which is used to pay validators. It also helps the network run as far as with, the gas fees. You can use the gas fees to pay with it with CSPR. And CSPR is used as a medium of exchange. And if we go over to their Twitter page, they are sitting at 187K followers. And their spiel is here's how Casper is ahead of the game. So they're basically giving you the future pitch, and they're kind of ahead of everybody. And it says the scalable infrastructure ensures your dApps can handle high transaction volumes without a hitch. So it's pretty much as scalable and as stable. Code seamlessly in widely used programming languages. So it pretty much it sounds like it's plug and play regardless of the programming language that you use, right? So let's see if we can play this short little clip here.
To me, what it means is that you can build on Casper and know that as your business grows, as your project grows, that the protocol is going to support you in that growth. It's going to provide those advanced features that you may not need today, but if you're successful, you're going to need them in the future. So you should build on a protocol that's going to be ready for you when you are successful.
Yeah, so again, they're pitching this whole future proofing that they already have these advanced features on their layer one blockchain. And as your business grows, it's just going to easily adapt with Casper. Casper is going to easily adapt with your business. So again, they're pitching we're future proof is what they're trying to say there. And if we go over to Casper's website, again, clean looking website, and it says here a fully upgradable and secure modular network designed to grow and evolve. Casper is the most customizable blockchain on the market. So again, they're pitching future, they're pitching that it's customizable to your business needs, and then it goes on to say that it's decentralized. And with any new layer one, we want to know, is anybody building is anybody building on this particular project? So Casper ecosystem consists of hundreds of projects, exchanges, partners, and Web3 applications built on the Casper blockchain. So this is important for me to see. It's kind of like seeing some of these dApps here. So you got wallets there, you got SDK hookups, games. You have your cloud service, and that's an enterprise. There's a centralized exchange, a couple of centralized exchanges, right? There's partners. Looks like they got some sort of marketplace there. Let's go to the collectibles. What do they got here? So they got games, they got NFTs, more games, NFTs. They have partnership with centralized exchanges here, as you can see. BitTrue, Gate.io, which a lot of you are familiar with, KuCoin. So pretty, and yeah, again, the huge partnership there with Amazon. Anytime you have a partnership with Amazon, it's a pretty big deal. And then let's go down to enterprises. Yeah, and then more enterprises here in business partnerships. So pretty much with Casper Network, to me, it seems like it's still kind of in the early stages. I mean, this is definitely nice to see that they have some dApps on this particular L1 solution, but it's a matter of the Casper Network team going out and networking and bringing on more enterprises, right? And if they can land a few more of these huge clients and create some buzz, it'll definitely kind of bring on that adoption. So that's again, that's their message. They're targeting institutions and enterprises. And if we look at some of these blocks, these stats here, looks like the market cap again is 388 million. Trading volume is 5.5 million, so there's some trading volume involved. The daily transactions, that definitely needs to come up. So there's definitely room for improvement with the daily transactions. So for me, with Casper, at a quick glance, it looks like, for the most part, it definitely has potential because, again, with Casper, it's a new layer one solution, and everybody's looking for that layer one solution in which the transactions can kind of run quick. Transaction and gas fees are fairly low. So there's definitely a possibility. And like we mentioned, it's ranked 119th. Now, my expectations for the next bull run, number one, between now and, you know, the end of 2024, for me to see any kind of encouraging signs with Casper, they have to, again, like I mentioned, have more of those partnerships and ink more of those deals. Next bull run, having said all that, we've seen it before where there's crypto projects with no utility whatsoever. In the next bull run, will they go past their all-time high of $1.33? I definitely think they can do so. I mean, I would, at a quick glance looking at this project, I would say at a minimum $3. We could see this pump up to $3. Anything beyond $3 would be kind of icing on the cake for this. But again, a project this young and it's ranked already that high, don't be surprised if we see Casper kind of slip into the top 100. I feel that's definitely doable, but again, at a quick glance, it looks like with Casper Network, they kind of have their ducks in a row and kind of have stuff together, and press that kind of how they're pitching their product, being future proof, and again, like some of the things that we kind of noticed on their X page and kind of looked on their website. So they're definitely building, and we'll kind of see how it goes. But that's kind of my thoughts on Casper. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll every now and then we'll kind of sprinkle in like new projects if asked. I will definitely kind of look at some of those other projects, but the main thing is, you know there's potential here with Casper Network. Again, I don't know the future with these projects, but I do know that crypto adoption is knocking at the door, and these businesses, right? They're going to be looking for a solution to their needs that they can kind of plug and play their dApps, and then, kind of move on and expand their business. And I think Casper Network could definitely be the candidate for that particular institution and for that particular enterprise. So that's pretty much it on Casper Network. Thanks for listening, and thanks for stopping by.